If you are a beginner in propagating Aglaonema plants and don't know which propagation method will be suitable as a beginner, then here are 2 easiest and successful ways to propagate Aglaonema plants that you can start with. Propagation method number 1. Select a healthy mature Aglaonema plant that has a long stem or the plant is more than 5 inches tall. As the Aglaonema plants grow, they lose the lower leaves and form a long stem over time as this plant. Also, you will notice some aerial roots or root bumps that are visible from the nodes as I am demonstrating here. Now first, take a clean plastic cup and cut a side of the cup as I am doing. Set the plastic cup around the stem and secure the plastic cup. Then fill the cup with coco peat or sphagnum moss or sand or Aglaonema soil. Now you can scratch the stem skin, but I'm not going to do that because these aerial roots will grow as they get moisture. This propagation method is well known as air layering propagation, where you can root a stem without separating the stem from the parent plant. After layering the Aglaonema, keep this layered portion moist and keep the plant in a place where the parent plant will receive around 2 hours of direct sun or 4 to 5 hours of bright indirect light. This layered portion will take around 3 to 4 weeks to root properly. Just keep the soil evenly moist. A soggy situation both in the soil and layered portion can damage the plant, so you have to be mindful about watering. I do not separate the layered portion until I notice any healthy well-grown roots through the plastic cup, as you can see here. So after 50 days, I noticed some roots are visible through the pot and it's the time to separate and repot the plant. A new shoot has arrived from the base of the parent plant and that will grow as I separate this layered stem. The stem has developed around 3 to 4 healthy long roots within 50 days and now I can repot the plant. Now after repotting, the plant may wilt for 1 or 2 weeks due to separation as well as repotting stress. Keep the plant in a bright shade for a week and gradually move the plant to a bright place as soon as the plant acclimates to the new environment. Propagation method number 2. Take a fresh stem cutting. Here, this air-layered stem has a shoot from this side, so I can divide this upper stem for the next propagation system, which is water propagation. To make a clean cut, I have used a sterilized blade and separated the stem. Aglaonemas release white sap from the cut ends, so let the cuttings callus for about 1 or 2 hours. Then simply put the cutting in a jar of clean water. Ensure around 2 to 3 inches of the stem of the cutting has submerged in water. Then keep the cutting in a bright place where they will receive around 2 to 3 hours of bright indirect light. Change water if you notice any algae growth and add water as soon as the water level declines. The Aglaonema cuttings take around 2 to 3 weeks to root and you can transplant the cuttings as soon as they have 2 to 3 inches long healthy roots. Now try to take more than 2 cuttings when propagating in water because some cuttings will fail or some cuttings will take forever to root. Now after 15 days, the cutting has developed a good amount of long roots and now I can take it out from the propagation station and repot in soil. Water propagation allows you to see when the cuttings are producing roots and ready for transplantation. Now there are some other methods you can try out to propagate Aglaonema plants. but these two methods are more effective for beginners. If you are interested in learning how to prepare the soil for the better growth of the Aglaonema plants, then check the video that is displayed on the screen. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Also support this channel by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.